Amazon starter. Oops. Starter bolts, the old ones that came off. And someone else has put this on and it's failed 3 times. It's sort of weird. But those are the starter bolts that came out of it. You could tell the threads are bad. And I don't know what that gook is. Don't know. But it was making noise. And he replaced the 50 amp breaker with that one. So go ahead and turn it over a few times. He's got the kill switch pulled, so that's why it won't start. And the battery voltage is 13.3, 13.4, 13.5, 13.6. So the alternator's putting out and 13.7, and it's charging. All seems good.